Oh my gosh, you guys, so I have some big news. I'm so excited to share that Danny and I are moving into a new apartment. It's right down the street, so we're still in Greenpoint in Brooklyn, and we love that neighborhood so much, so we really didn't want to move out of it, and we just decided to look at a few apartments a few weeks ago, and we loved this one so much, and I'll show you why. But first, before I take you long, will you please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Did you do it? Okay, good. All right, I'm gonna take you to the front door first, and then I'll walk you through the whole thing. Here we go. Really quick, just so you know, I have our amazing handyman, Luca, in here building some shelves and stuff. So even though this is an empty house tour, there are like a few things out. So bear that in mind, that the shelves on the floor will not be on the floor forever. Welcome to my crib. I am so excited, you guys. This apartment has amazing light, which was a huge reason why we wanted it. Every room has natural lighting. So first I'm gonna take you into our bedroom. I think that the bed is gonna go against this wall, but we'll see about that. And then there's these doors that actually lead out on the balcony. But first, I wanna take y'all into our bathroom. There's some tape on the ground, so I was figuring out some rug sizes, but I freaking love the tiles so much. And I'm really excited to just, I don't know, I feel like the appliances in here are really pretty, and our old apartment, we don't have any storage like this, so I'm really excited about that. And then I also, things that you like when you're an adult. I did not have this ever in an apartment before, but it has this like handheld shower. And then it also has this like above shower, which is dope. And now, let me show you the closet in here that is actually gonna be Danny's closet. That didn't work. But so this is gonna be Danny's closet. He is super excited about it because his closet right now is about 1/4 of this size. So he is super stoked. Now, let me take you outside. So this is one side of the balcony, which is really big and awesome. Beautiful tree. Will look very tall and pretty in the fall. Super excited about that. Oh, and down there, we'll have a parking spot, so. So I kind of have an idea of what I want to do with this room already. We're gonna have our bed against this wall, these 2 nightstands. Our rug from our living room is actually gonna go underneath it, and then we're gonna have a star lamp hanging like a little chandelier. It's gonna be super cool. Okay, now I'm gonna take you to the living room, where we already painted one wall dark, so get ready for that. It's gonna match the sofa. This is where the shelf explosion is happening that I mentioned before. But I got this awesome restoration cardboard cloud sofa that I'm so excited about. And it's matching the wall, so it's gonna look so sick, as I say sometimes. These 2 shelves are gonna go up here, just like a really big open. I've never had this much like living space before, and I've never had a dining table, which is gonna be over here. And don't worry, we're gonna be changing out this light fixture because it is not cute in my opinion. So we're gonna change this, and we're gonna have a dining table here. I'm obsessed with the dining table. I cannot wait to see what it looks like in this space. I have these gorgeous bar stools that are gonna go along the bar. Sorry, there's so many beautiful things happening out here right now. And then, really cool feature, let's see if I can get it to turn on. There is a fireplace, which I wasn't sure about at first. And to be honest with you, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put stacks of wood here. So I actually think that once we have that, it'll kind of bring together it looking more like a real fireplace. Even though you know it's not real, it kind of brings this coziness together. And I think it's gonna look awesome. I don't know, it's kind of grown on me, the fireplace, weirdly. Is it grown on you?
I loved it from the beginning.
I did love it in the beginning. I was like, oh, that's tacky, and now I actually really like it. And
Show them how it changes color.
Okay, let me see if I can do it. We got blue going on, some red, more blue, green. Wow, I like the classic. That is my preferred. And then I'm gonna get the Samsung Frame TV, which I'm like so excited about, to go here. This is a little half bathroom, which we are actually going to use for storage. It's actually a really nice bathroom and the floors are heated, but I think we're gonna end up just using it for storage because we don't really need 3 bathrooms. More storage in here. And while I have you in the living room, let me take you a little bit behind the kitchen. Okay, so really quick in the kitchen, there is a freaking wine cooler for the Catalina mixer that we will have going on. I hope that you guys get that Step Brother reference. The fridge is beautiful and like hidden, which I love. Really pretty stove, a microwave. I've never had a microwave in my entire time. I don't even know how you open it. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's like a touch microwave. I've never had a microwave the entire time I lived in New York in 8 years. And here's kind of more of an inside look at that. There's also even a double trash dispenser. It's the little things. Okay, now let me take you outside onto this awesome huge terrace. So big. I've never had this much outdoor space and I don't know what to do with it, but I think we're gonna start with like a sofa, a little like chair seating situation, and a table. That's what we got, right? Mm-hmm. It's so big. Like it's so big. Okay, now we are back inside and I'm gonna take you into the other rooms. So you come through here and then this room is going to be the guest room. Right now Luke is working on like putting all of these shelves up in here around the bed, which I'm really excited about. I hope that it turns out good. And there's also in both of these rooms, there's like these awesome storage situations, which I'm really excited about because I feel like it's gonna be more organized storage. Where I live now, it's kind of complete chaos, and I'm excited to have just kind of a more storage organizational thing going on. And then let me take you into this room, the I guess guest bathroom. And then this is just like your normal tub. I think I actually might switch out the shower head for a handheld one that I have at home. And then this is another door that goes out onto the balcony. Then we have just your beautiful washer and dryer. You walk in here, and this is gonna be the closet room. We're gonna have shelves for the shoes and bags on this wall. Again, we have another like awesome storage situation on this side. And then on this side, we're gonna do some shelves here and then just some racks for clothing. I am so excited about doing this space. Really quick, I wanna show you, this is the entryway whenever you come into our apartment, and it's just ours, no one else is up here. I actually really love the entryway, which is funny because I feel like they're normally kind of ugly. This is the elevator, which I like, it's black and dark. And then these floors are like these pointed, just gorgeous wood floors. So excited to walk in here every day now. So that is it. Thank you guys for coming along and checking out our new apartment. I'm so excited. We're gonna move in super soon. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Okay, let me walk you out. Thank you for coming.